Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra. The phenomena of concentration and mystic powers are the willpower of the illuminator. Universally good physically is like space, abiding by reality, not a land, according to the heart's desires of all beings, manifesting all kinds of embodiments, equal to all. Universally good, abiding at peace in great determination, thus attain these infinite spiritual powers in any lands of all Buddha bodies, manifesting his form going there. All the myriad oceans are boundless. He reproduces his body infinitely and dwells there. All lands of his manifestation are purified, and in an instant are seen many eons. Universally good lives peacefully in all lands. The spiritual powers he displays are incomparable. The trembling, extending everywhere, causes those who look to be able to see. The knowledge, virtue, and powers of all Buddhas, their various great qualities he has all fulfilled. By the medium of techniques of all meditations, he shows his past enlightening acts. Such independence, inconceivable, is manifest in the lands of the 10 directions, to reveal the universal entrance of all meditations. In the clouds of Buddha light his praises are sung. Then all the hosts of enlightening beings turn to universally good, join their palms, and gaze respectfully at universally good. Imbued with the psychic power of the enlightened, they sang in praise with the same voice. Born from the teachings of the enlightened, also originating from the willpower of the Buddha, the womb of space, the equality of real thusness, you have purified this body of reality. In the congregations of all Buddha fields, universally good is omnipresent there. The light of the oceans of universal virtue and wisdom equally illumine everywhere, so all are visible.